As it happens, I was born in a beautiful part of Devon, in Fife too. No.
Devon. That's terrible. Oh no.
She's like a good laugher. The tears are running down her legs. Listen here! Just let me do the song. Right, this is a song about Devon.
You bastard.
How did your mother get in that prison? Hey! There, don't you do jokes about my mother. You know what happened a month ago? Sorry. I had to put her into an old folks home. She's 94 and I'm not happy about it. She's not so fucking pleased, is she? No, listen. It's a beautiful home. I know. When the Queen visited Blackpool, they showed her around that home. She was lovely, the Queen. She talked to everybody. She talked to my mother, yeah. She said, hello. Do you know who I am?
That's my female.
His mother said, no, love, that's the matron.